Unang-una sa lahat, congratulations, Camila. I think she played a great match today. And I wish you luck for the rest of the tournament. Maraming salamat sa lahat sa inyo. Nanood sa akin, sayang, hindi po masya ngayon sa level. Ang importante, nandito ako sa Manila, nandito ako sa Pilipinas, kaya maraming salamat. Nandito ang WTA. Enjoy the rest of the week, and I really hope you guys get inspired and learn to love tennis, and I hope it grows here. You know, because I love tennis so much, and I'm so lucky that I'm able to share, you know, these experiences and this journey with all of you. So thank you.
Mangiram ako sa mga ano.